Yo, what up, YT? Back with another video. G-body, another G-body. I think the other video I was showing y'all, I was doing the Monte Carlo and the 79 Cutlass or whatnot. The Monte Carlo had the G6, the Monte Carlo and the 79 had the SRT, had the SRT roof in it out of a Jeep Cherokee. And this one right here, we putting this in there, in this Regal, man. Putting this in that Regal. Y'all see what's going on. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just throwing a little simple, little regular roof in here, man. They got the framing right there. I know screws the mess, but I got the roof on the other side. But like right now, all I'm finna do right now is just take this headliner out. I'm about to take this headliner out, take all the pillars off, and yeah, everything from top finna get ready to come out. And I'm gonna do this one without having to remove the seats. If I have to, I'll stick something along the seats and hold it up while everything is curing or whatnot. But yeah, I'm about to get ready and get my measurements from the top, and then get everything ready for the drain plugs, because it got all the drain plugs that I need. It got everything that I need. So with this project right here. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to just set everything up. Probably gonna start drilling my holes. Gonna make some pallet holes for where I'm gonna run the drain plugs at. But yeah, man, it's a I think it's a 1987 Regal. Like I say, if you know what year this car is just by looking at it, let me know. Jump in the comments right now and let me know. Hold on 1 second. Let's see. Let y'all see this thing in the front. If you know what year this car is, man, let me know. But yeah, here go that roof right here. It's a Webesto roof. It's the drop in and go. So we about to get in and get my boy right and get him in the game. I ain't gonna show y'all what's on the hood, man. I ain't gonna expose everything on the car, but it do got that thing on it though. Yeah, pretty clean car, man. Pretty clean car, I like it. So he came in to 1TouchCustomz, man, to get that get the brains blown out, and that's what we about to do. About to go ahead and blow out. But I ain't gonna waste all y'all time. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I start to get the measurements and stuff like that. And when I get close to, when I get all the headline and stuff out, take out to the next step. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I think it's an 87. Same year I was born. I think it's an 87. I feel it. But like I said, I think he probably gonna come back later, so I get the year, what year this car is when he come back later on. But I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. I'm finna get ready to do what I gotta do right quick, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on in 1 minute. 1Touch, baby. Alright, we back. See, I got the trim ring sitting on the hood right now. And when I got this roof, I went on and cut the skin out just so I can have something to go off of. Just gonna trace on around here with a magic marker. Trace on around here. And when I was at the yard, I had marked this already front. And I marked that back, front, and back. So this is gonna be my template right here. I'm gonna get the measurements on each side, make sure everything even and lined up right, like how I want it, and everything looks like it needs to look. And I'm gonna go ahead and trace it out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the skin out the way, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out. And then when I do that, I'm gonna go, what you wanna do, you wanna grab your bracket, go on the inside of the car and put it up, and you wanna bolt this down. You got these studs right here for the roof to bolt up to. And see these rivet holes right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put my rivet holes in. I'm gonna take, I think I got all the, I might have to get the rivets up out of the frame. Yeah, like I say, I got some rivets still in there. I'm just gonna take those out, drill those on out, and put the new rivets in, and we're gonna go from there. But like I say, it ain't gonna take long just to cut this out. I really want to go get me a jigsaw just so I can have me a perfect cut. So I might cut y'all back on. I'm gonna go up to Harbor Freight, go get a little cheap little jigsaw and some blades, and so I can get that perfect cut. And see, I already took the interior stuff out, got the headline out of there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these braces on out because I'm not gonna need these anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these braces on out, get it on out the way. And so when I ain't gonna lie, yeah, back in the day when I used to when I cut a couple roofs out, I had a jigsaw, but I was using the jigsaw in the yard to cut a roof out. And man, when I tell you, I broke that jigsaw less than 5 minutes of using it, because everything was cutting real good. But when I got to this brace right here, man, did me dirty. Broke the whole of thing. But yeah, that's why I say I'm gonna probably go and go get me a little cheap little Harbor Freight jigsaw. I'm gonna cut these on out. So all I have to do is just trace on around with the jigsaw, cut it on out, and drop on in. And I need to go get me some 3M glue too while I'm out. So yeah, I just gonna take care of all that. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to trace this out first, so all I gotta do is just come back and cut. But yeah, working this thing, man. Like I say, I got other projects to do too. So, and I still gotta go out to my boy Wayne house and wire up a sunroof. I'm already done with it. I just gotta wire it. Got everything ran, drain plugs, all that ran. So I just gotta go back and wire it to the fuse, and that'll be good to go. But I'm gonna show y'all that too when I get out there. But got this night, like I say, y'all know the year, let me know. I just like to do that, just like a little quiz trivia on these cars, man. See if people know their cars just by anything. You know, it'd be the smallest things, like it'll read out to you what year it is. Bet y'all don't know what year my Monte Carlo is. So y'all see I got me a new hood scoop. Like I told y'all, the tree. Well, I didn't never post the video, man. I got videos backed up in my phone. Like I said, I ain't been having time to YouTube or whatever. But yeah, man, a tree had fell on my car, busted my windshield. You know what I'm saying? Dented up my fenders and stuff like that. I already had started doing a little body work to it. So I say I just gotta finish up everything. I just been busy trying to help all my customers out, get their cars in and out, and knock them on out. Yeah, y'all let me know what year my car is too. Got the wing somewhere. But yeah, just got this box, man. It's an Arkansas box. So I say, man, I got everybody coming through messing with the kids, man, getting their sunroofs did, man. 2024, man. I'm be locking the city in, man, with these sunroofs. So y'all better go ahead and get in line and get with me if you're trying to get something done. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing the headliners and stuff like that too next. I just ain't been dealing with that right now because I don't have the material on hand, and right now my hands kind of full with doing sunroofs. So I just let the headliner guy make some money, man. You know, we all can eat. Hold on, somebody hit me up right now. Okay. Yeah, like I said, man, it's a clean box, man. This guy came in, he had his own roof, you know what I'm saying? And it was that on that. And like I say, I'm gonna get him right. So he going with another top. Like I say, when I start doing the headliners and top, it's gonna all be a little package deal. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna bust you up too high. As long as I get all my material and get everything in hand, you know what I'm saying? It's all gonna work out on your end and my end. You know what I'm saying? You gotta work with me because I'll be working with you too. So, you know what I'm saying? Getting the headliners and top did and your sunroof did all in one spot. You know what I'm saying? We'll come together with a nice price. want to see these old cars out. Like I say, got this photo. What year y'all think this is? I think this the last year they made them. Nah, I don't know. You ain't got the light on the side on the fender. My little Cutlass, it had the lights all at the bottom and stuff, but you never know though. Never know. And look at this thing right here. Going panoramic on this one too. Like I said, I'm still doing mechanic work on this car to get it running, because it was at a shop for a long time and the shop never did get it running. So I had got it to crank up like probably like 5 to 10 seconds, but it needed a start on it. But yeah, it's that G6 roof. Man, I had hell, like I told y'all in another video, I had hell with the G6 roof, man. I'm never doing them again. I don't care if y'all, you know, got them out a good running car or a good canvas, man. I don't want to deal with the G6 roof. I don't want that on my hand. I had to break these things down and put them back together, oil them up. You know, when they work good, I guess they work good, but they eventually gonna go bad. These the first panoramics. What they made them in like 04, whenever them Pontiacs came out. So I'd rather get something new, something out of 15, 16 panoramic. And they let you know you got years to go. But I'm not gonna talk y'all ear out, man. I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of what I got going on right now. And like I say, I got more cars coming to the channel, more boxes. And like I say, still got the OBS, not OBS, NBS. Still got the NBS here. You know, he getting some little things done. He already welded in. Yep, his roof already in. Like I say, he going with new console, speakers in the console and stuff too. So, and he want to put some new carpet in here. So we're gonna get this thing freshened up. This truck will be done probably in the next couple of days. You know, when I try to free up on some of these cars. But yeah, like I say, back to this Regal, man. I'm about to go ahead and get these measurements done so I can go ahead and get it cut out. And I just cut y'all back on, man, when I leave from the store, getting some supplies and stuff like that. So I cut y'all right back on. I'm back. After everything I did, just doing a little rundown on everything. As you see, I got the trim ring just sitting up. This just for like test fit purposes. But yeah, like I said, we ain't playing no here 1TouchCustomz, man. We get right in and get right on it, man. Just gotta do some little trimming up and stuff like that. But yeah, other than that, she good. So what I'm about to do now, but I know I got this good and secure, I'm about to go head out to my other location. And I'm gonna get my guy, well, I'm waiting on a guy to come out here and purchase something right quick. I got to purchase a front cap for me. I had a photo Cutlass I was about to put in the game, but I didn't want to deal with it because it had some motor problems. And I ain't feel like dealing with it right now. But yeah, as you can see, got that trim ring on. The next step, I just gotta go get me some 3M glue, seal up around the trim ring, and then I guess go ahead and put the roof in and bolt it in and hook everything up, and this car will be leaving by the night. I ain't wasting no time with them, man. Old Rucha steering wheel. Oh yeah, thing look good. Yeah, my boy gonna be happy with this, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut y'all back off, and I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight and just pick up some little supplies and stuff that I need. I need some I break my welder. But I need to go get some little supplies and stuff like that, and head on out here to my boy Wayne's house, man, so I can go ahead and get them boys right out there. You know, make them plays and do what I need to do. But y'all just hold tight.